If you've ever wanted to receive money from someone through PayPal, sometimes a business, most times they would always ask that you send them an invoice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal invoice for your customers and your clients. Welcome to my channel, Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Alright, so please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. The first thing you want to do, of course, is that you want to sign up or log in. So right now I'm going to log in. All right, so when you've logged in, currently I'm on the home page, and you see there are several quick links here. Okay, this is App Center. This is for invoicing. This is where you request money. This is where you send money. This is when you create a paypal.me account, and of course the PayPal checkout. All right, so we want to create a simple invoice. All right, and if you see, this is just right here in the home. Okay, so now we want to, let's say I want to create the customer's email. All right, I'm going to just use mine, and okay, the item name. So what's the name of the item? It could be service, it could be a product. Okay, so let's say we call this and of course you want to enter the amount of the particular item. So let's say this is 3,000, and of course you could change the currency over here. All right, so AUD, BRL, and lots of stuff. I'll leave this at USD right now. Okay, so we want to, if you want to add more details, we could expand this. All right, so you could add a description if you wanted to. So I could say this is and over here you could add a message or a note to the customer if you wanted to. All right, I'll leave that open. Okay, so this is just about it. And if you have a business logo, of course I'm using a PayPal business account. All right, so this is you could add, this is the invoice number, this is the currency, this is the date you're showing it. If there is a due date, all right, you could enter that over here. So you click the drop down button, and you add a particular date. Okay, so you could choose date on the receipt or specific date. All right, or it's going to be in 10 days, 15, 30, 60 days, you know, you decide. Right now, if you want them to allow to add a tip, you could also check this. I'll leave this as no due date. All right, and now if you wanted to add a discount, you could do that. You click on this button, you add a discount, or shipping, you do that, you click this button right here to add shipping. Okay, any other amount. All right, so this is the total amount due for this particular invoice. Now once we are done with this, all right, you just simply click on send update. All right, so it says your invoice to obonaya@gmail.com has been sent. So this invoice has been sent. So when the person receives it and they view it, PayPal will show you that they viewed it, and of course when they, and then PayPal will include a link, a way for them to pay you through that particular invoice. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.